Hi there, it's Olga. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. First of all, I'd like to announce that my new tutorial is now available at Craft World. I'm going to demonstrate step by step how I created this extra large and extra deep diorama card. It's got a lot of detail to it, and it is also foldable and totally mailable. Just check out the link down below in the description box and you can watch this tutorial from beginning to end on Craft World. There are also a couple of great special offers that Craft Stash has for paper discovery products. You can get any of the word panels from the new collection with 15% discount. Just use the code at checkout. You can find that code down below in the description as well. Another amazing deal is that right now all paper discovery products except the new collection are available with 25% discount. A lot of products are sold out already, so check out this offer because it expires on the 28th of May. Thank you for visiting today, and now I'm encouraging you to head over to Craft World to watch my new tutorial. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.